Hello and welcome, I'm your CodeMonkey. Unity has just added something very small, something very niche, but something that I've wanted for a long time. If you open up Unity Hub, you now won't be able to see this little tab called Templates. And just like the name implies, this allows you to create custom templates, so reusable templates for your projects to get started faster. Personally, this is something that I've wanted for years. Anytime I'm making a new tutorial, I take a base project that I have and I basically just duplicate it into something else. And recently I started my Game Dev Practice Lab. This is where I publish new game mechanic challenges every 2 weeks. And for this same thing, I basically start from a template and then I duplicate the folder. But now Unity actually has a nice built-in way of doing that. So over here, you can just go ahead and click on New Template, then basically select what project you want to make the template out of the folder. In my case, like I said, I already have a project named Template. Then you can give it some kind of name, some kind of description, version, and so on, which means you can actually update the template to newer versions. You can give it an image icon as well. Quick note, this checkbox for the project settings is actually very important. If you don't include this, then it basically does not include the project settings on template, meaning it will actually spawn with, for example, the built-in run pipeline instead of URP. It will use the legacy input manager instead of the input system. So I think you probably do want to take this all the time. And then basically just click on next. Then optionally, you can also select source control. So this is how this whole system has a versioning system, how you can start with a template and then update version to version. You can make that all fully integrated with all of these providers. And finally, just click on create and it's going to basically create that template. Now this one over here actually took quite a bit. I'm guessing it means that this in the background is basically copy pasting that folder into a separate folder. I'm assuming that's what happens. And for me in this template, I actually have quite a lot of assets. So it's actually quite a big project. That's why this one took quite a bit. And in the end, over here, the template signature, this one actually thrown an error. I'm not exactly sure why, but it seems to be working fine, so I'm just going to ignore it. And even now here, I can see template. Now another minor bug apparently is the image did not load. I'm not exactly sure why, but I can click on it, see a bunch more info. Again, over here on the render pipeline, this should be saying URP instead of built-in. I'm also not quite sure why it's saying that, but sure. Importantly, over here, it keeps the packages. So this is basically the core part of making a template. You can start with a specific project structure and importantly, a specific amount of packages. So if you always have, for example, like 2D games, you can make a template for your 2D project and then just use that for any kind of 2D prototype you want to make. Same thing for 3D. So the fact that it pre-installs all of these packages, that is really great. Then if you want to, you can just click on the 3 dots and create a project from this template. Or of course, if you go through the normal process through projects and create a brand new project, then over here, yep, you can see all the built-in templates and yep, over here you see your custom one. So you can go ahead, use this one to make a new project. You can call it like testing, make it a local project. And you just like this, create the project. And yep, here I have the project and I can confirm, yep, this one has basically exactly the same thing that I had in that original project. Now here, like I said a while ago, I did not tick that checkbox for the project settings. That is why the whole thing is in pink. Therefore, the project settings over here, this part did not actually get copied. So that's why I was saying you probably want to take that every time. But other than that, yep, here I have my project. I've got my fields. I've got everything set up exactly like I had in the original project. Now in the changelog talking about this new feature, they also mention over here, custom templates are now officially supported, providing a standardized way to create and share project templates directly in the Unity Hub. So this share part, this is one that I'm really interested in, just because it makes me question, okay, so I make tutorials, like for example my Kitchen Chaos course. Could I make a custom template that basically includes the starting project files? And could I share that as a template as opposed to sharing the original project files? Would that actually be a better thing? I don't know because I'm not exactly sure how you can share these project templates. Looking over here, I don't see any brand new menu for sharing this in any way. So I wonder if that's a feature they're going to add in the future, or if they literally just mean, okay, just literally just copy paste the project onto someone else's computer and have them manually edit as a template and then continue from there. Either way, yep, a pretty nice addition to the Unity Hub. Like I said, it's definitely very niche, so I don't know how many people will find this useful, but at least for me personally, for the kind of use case that I have, this is actually very useful. But in your case, even if not, at least now you know what this template tab means. By the way, challenge number 4 is currently live in my Game Dev Practice Lab. This is the first 2D challenge. And all previous challenges are still available in the library, like number 3, the keypad access system, number 2, the traffic controller, number 1, the CCTV camera system, and number 0, the safe system. This is my program meant to help you grow your skills. It's a very practical, hands-on program to help you learn by doing. Check it out in the link in the description. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.